Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to another video. I recently got back from a trip on a Carnival cruise ship. I wanted to tell you guys about the experience, specifically the food experience, what to expect if you are going on a Carnival cruise on the Carnival Sunshine from Norfolk, Virginia. About 2 weeks before the cruise is scheduled to leave, you will be asked to check in online. And when you check in, you'll be able to choose what time you would like to eat. There's two options. You could choose to have like a specific eating time, or you can do like a my time eating arrangement. And the difference is with the my time eating, you basically will have the flexibility to eat anytime you want in the main dining room between 5 to 9 p.m. On board, there is multiple places that you can eat that are inclusive. And then there's places that you can eat that you have to pay an extra fee to eat there. The Carnival Sunshine, it has a main dining room. It has a marketplace where it's mostly buffet style. It has a deli line where you can get sandwiches, a pizza shop, a ice cream, frozen yogurt station that's for like an Asian dishes, Mexican, Asian stir-fry dishes, and a burger and french fry station. So those are the places that you can eat at for free during your cruise. The main place that is open the longest and has the biggest variety is Lido Marketplace. Think a big buffet. They usually have a vegetable bar, desserts, they have pastries, have some sort of meats, potatoes, omelet station in the mornings, kind of like a self-serve. So you'll just go up to a bar and you'll grab whatever you want, put it on a plate, and you can come back as many times as you like. Now with the dining room setup, if you have My Time Dining, you'll put in a request for a table. You'll be seated and you are served like you're basically in a restaurant. So they'll have a menu for that day, which changes daily. It'll have appetizers, entrees, and desserts. You will basically just choose what you want, and then the servers will deliver them to you. And I would say that the portions are on the smaller side. You can always request more than one item. And I believe that if you request more than 3 entrees, then there is extra charge. More than likely, you probably won't need that. But as far as my favorite dishes that I've eaten as a vegetarian on board, I would say the dish that stands out to me the most that I would recommend is the black bean enchiladas. Those are very warm, comforting, and I also recommend going to, I think it's called Blue Iguana, where that's where you'll get the Mexican inspired dishes. You'll have tacos and bowls. One of my favorite things to get there are tacos because they actually make the tortillas fresh. So they're I don't know if they're baked or fried or what, but they are cooked right before they serve it to you. So they're very warm and gushy and delicious. So I recommend getting a taco, but also a bowl made with rice, lettuce, tomatoes, all those kind of things. They also have like a salsa bar that has just a lot of really great, unique salsa options. One that really stands out is they have a watermelon salsa, which is kind of sweet and savory. So I definitely recommend giving that a try. One of my favorite things to eat whenever I'm on vacation is I love trying panna cottas. It is like a milky, kind of like custard gelatinous-y type of dessert. And they actually had one of those on board, and I believe it was like a blueberry flavored panna cotta. One of the things that I really, really love about eating aboard the Carnival cruise ships is it gives you an opportunity to try a lot of unique dishes that you would normally have the opportunity to try. So that's one thing that I really enjoyed. And I also posted a short recently that showed just a few of the dishes that I've tried. And that was a very condensed version of it, and I ate a lot of other things. But definitely check that out if you haven't had a chance. That's going to be all for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Once again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share in the comments if you've been on a Carnival cruise, if you have anything that you would add to the list of things that are must try. Also, I want to let you guys know that you can follow me along on my Buy Me a Coffee website where you can see all the latest posts and pictures from my adventures as well as recent recipes. Most recently is pasta pasta mango salsa, which is inspired by my trip. So check that out. And then also stay tuned and be on the lookout for my launch of my hair accessories that are coming out very, very soon. I've been working hard on those, so I can't wait to share them with you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.